Are you thinking about making a move to Dallas-Fort Worth area? You've come to the right place. Every day, family ask me the same question, where I can find the best home, the best school, and the best value. Today, we are cutting through the noise to analyze the DFW real estate market. Most important financial truth, the massive price divide between the North Dallas suburb and the rapidly growing South Dallas suburb. A quick note, when I refer to South Dallas suburb, I am referring to the city of Midlothian, Mansfield, and Waxahachie, not the South Dallas area like Oak Cliff. We are comparing Plano and Frisco against the Southern value market in a direct comparison of housing cost, value, and lifestyle. This information is critical for planning your budget in 2025 if you're planning to move soon. You can look at the table on the screen for a comparison of the median home price between the North and the South Dallas suburb. In summary, the median home price is your clearest indicator of affordability, and the difference between North and South Dallas is stark. We are using the latest available listing data from August 2025. North Dallas is a premium market. This city commands a premium for this established infrastructure, top-rated school, and concentration of Fortune 500 employers. In Plano, the median listing home price is approximately $532,000. In Frisco, the median listing home price soars even higher to $700,000. This means that to buy an average home in Frisco, you need over $240,000 more than you do in the most expensive southern suburb. The North is a seller market for its name and prestige. Next is the South Dallas suburb. This elite county suburb offers much lower barrier to entry, giving you more house and more land for your dollar. In Midlothian, the median sales price here is $460,000. In Mansfield, the median listing price here is $525,000. In Waxahachie, the median listing price here is $445,000. The final number, the average median listing price for these three southern suburbs is approximately $477,000. That is a massive difference. Why I brought up these three cities? Because these are the most popular southern suburbs that people are moving to in 2025. Price isn't the only factor. How competitive is the market? This is where North and South Dallas show different pressures. In Frisco and Plano, especially Frisco, homes are often selling below asking price by about 2.5%, indicating a slight cooling in buyer frenzy, but the price point remains high. Plano homes are holding value better, but buyers are less willing to pay significantly over the list price either, as they were in the past. In Midlothian and Waxahachie area, the southern market has higher inventory of new construction. Midlothian homes are taking longer to sell, averaging 99 days on the market, suggesting buyers have significant negotiating power, especially with new home builders. Waxahachie homes are also offering discount, selling below list price by about 2.3%. The takeaway is, in the North, you are competing on price for prestige. In the South, you are competing on terms and incentive, which means better deals for you. Hi everyone, my name is Ginny Nguyen, and I'm a Dallas-Fort Worth relocation expert. I'm here to help you navigate this dynamic market and find a home that is genuinely fit your financial goal. My mission is to ensure you make the smartest move possible. And full disclosure, I live in a South Dallas suburb, so I might be a little biased when it comes to the value of the South. If you are watching this far and find this video valuable, please consider subscribing for more more videos just like this. New video is added weekly, and if you want to work with me, please book a call with the link in the description below. The trade-off between North and South Dallas doesn't stop at your mortgage payment. It shows up in your wallet every single day. Let's put the full table on screen for a budget battle between Plano and Waxahachie. First, look at the bottom line, total monthly essential. When you exclude housing, the total average monthly spend for a single person is virtually identical at around $2,200 in both cities. This is the big surprise. Now let's look at why. Grocery is a wash. Both areas stay competitive and below national average. Whether you are shopping in Plano or Waxahachie, your food costs are about the same. Utility and energy. Here's the first real difference. Plano utility costs are about $18 per month higher than Waxahachie, while both areas suffer from the Texas AC spike. The higher density and demand in the north push that cost slightly higher. In terms of transportation, this is where the south pulls ahead. The base cost for gas, insurance, and maintenance is similar, but the southern suburbs are nearly 9% more affordable on a transportation index. This is largely because you avoid the consistent high toll fees required to navigate the North Dallas Expressway every single day. Finally, look at dining. A mid-range dinner for two in Plano can easily hit $90, reflecting the city dense upscale dining scene. $90 plus tip. In Waxahachie, you find great value with that same mid-range dinner that costing closer to $75 plus tip. The conclusion is clear. The daily cost of living is nearly identical. Therefore, the single financial factor that separates these two markets is the mortgage payment. This is where you can earn your true saving by choosing in the South. Next up is commute trade-off. Why the price different? It's the commute price. The South Dallas-Fort Worth commute reality. For the South Dallas suburb, commuting to downtown Dallas is manageable. In rush hour, you are typically looking at a 40 to 50 minute drive by I-45 and Highway 67. However, the savings on your mortgage are offset by a harsh reality. It is simply not practical to live in South Dallas and commute to North Dallas, like Plano Frisco or McKinney to work. That commute would easily stretch during rush hour, often taking over 2 hours of your day. North Dallas, you are buying time. You are closer to the major economic center of the tollway and US 75. In your drive to those high-paying jobs is shorter, but the cost of getting into that location is reflected in your mortgage payment. You are buying space and equity. You have a significantly lower monthly mortgage payment, but you must be working either south of Dallas or in the downtown Dallas core to make the commute worthwhile. The question for you is the difference in your monthly mortgage payment worth an extra hour of commuting time each day away from your family? This is the core decision every Dallas-Fort Worth resident must make. Next up is comparisons between two school districts in South and North Dallas. Plano ISD, this district is nationally recognized for its exceptional programs and consistently high ranking. Parents pay the premium housing price to access this established reputation and the unique PISD high school system, which is a major draw for families seeking a high-achieving school district. Mansfield ISD and Midlothian ISD both are a strong B-rated district that are heavily investing in new school and facility. You are getting excellent quality and new school without the significant Plano ISD tax built into the home price and property tax. The conclusion: you don't have to sacrifice a quality education by moving south, but you will find different amenities and resources built into the school infrastructure. Finally, let's look at the final simple truth of the DFW housing market in 2025. If your primary career focus house is not Dallas and your budget allows, Plano offers the best stability and investment return for its proximity to jobs. If your goal is to find the most house for the least money while maintaining a high quality of life and rich school, the clear winner here is Waxahachie. With the lowest median home price of the 5 cities that we discussed above, the DFW dream is still alive, but it requires strategic shopping. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your question. Until then, happy house hunting and I will see you soon.